Common mistakes in English. Question number 1. Choose the correct sentence. She didn't went to school yesterday. She didn't go to school yesterday. She didn't goes to school yesterday. The answer will be she didn't go to school yesterday. After didn't, we use the base form of the verb. In this case, go. Question number 2. Which sentence is correct? I am agree with you. I agreeing with you. I agree with you. The answer will be I agree with you. Agree is a state verb. We say I agree, not I am agree. Question number 3. Choose the correct one. He is married with a doctor. He is married to a doctor. He married with a doctor. The answer will be he is married to a doctor. We say married to, not married with. Question number 4. Which is correct? She said me the truth. She told me the truth. She said me truth. The answer will be she told me the truth. Tell is used with an object. Told me. Say is not. Question number 5. Choose the correct sentence. I am looking forward to meet you. I am looking forward to meeting you. I am looking forward to meeting you. The answer will be I am looking forward to meeting you. After look forward to, use a gerund or ing form. Question number 6. Which sentence is correct? He is good in playing football. He is good at playing football. He is good on playing football. The answer is he is good at playing football. We use good at for skills. Question number 7. Choose the correct one. I prefer coffee than tea. I prefer coffee to tea. I prefer coffee over tea. The answer will be I prefer coffee to tea. The correct structure is prefer, A to B. Which is correct? She has a long hair. She has long hair. She has the long hairs. The answer will be she has long hair. Hair is uncountable, so we don't use a. Question number 9. Choose the correct sentence. It depends of the weather. It depend in the weather. It depend on the weather. The answer will be it depend on the weather. The correct preposition is on. Which one is correct? He is afraid of spiders. He is afraid from spiders. The answer will be he is afraid of spiders. We say afraid of, not afraid from. Choose the correct sentence. I didn't saw him yesterday. I didn't see him yesterday. I not saw him yesterday. The answer will be I didn't see him yesterday. After didn't, use the base form of the verb, in this case see. Question number 12. Which is correct? She can't sing very well. She can sing very well. She can sing very well. The answer is she can sing very well. After modal verbs like can, use the base form. Question number 13. Choose the correct one. I have visited Paris last year. I visited Paris last year. I have visited Paris last year. The answer is I visited Paris last year. When a specific time is mentioned, use past simple. In this case, visited. Question number 14. Which sentence is correct? He didn't told me anything. He didn't tell me anything. He don't tell me anything. The answer is he didn't tell me anything. Didn't is followed by the base verb, or in this case, tell. Choose the correct sentence. She is very taller than me. She is more tall than me. She is taller than me. The answer is she is taller than me. Comparative adjectives like taller don't need more or very. Which is correct? I didn't used to like coffee. I didn't used to like coffee. I not used to like coffee. The answer is I didn't used to like coffee. After didn't, use the base form. In this case, used to. Choose the correct one. The news are bad. The news is bad. The news were bad. The answer is the news is bad. News is uncountable, so we use singular verbs. In this case, is. Which sentence is correct? I am here since morning. I was here since morning. I have been here since morning. The answer is I have been here since morning. Use present perfect continuous for actions continuing from the past. In this case, have been. Choose the correct one. She is more kinder than her sister. She is kinder than her sister. She is kindest than her sister. The answer is she is kinder than her sister. Kinder is already comparative. No need to add more. Which is correct? I am going to home. I am going home. I am going at home. The answer is I am going home. Home that doesn't need to before it. Choose the correct sentence. He is married to a teacher. He is married with a teacher. He married with a teacher. The answer will be he is married to a teacher. Always say married to, not married with. Which is correct? Everyone have a book. Everyone has a book. Everyone are having a book. The answer will be everyone has a book. Everyone is singular, so we use has. Choose the correct one. I enjoyed to play football. I enjoy playing football. I enjoyed play football. The answer will be I enjoyed playing football. After enjoy, use the ing form of the verb. Which sentence is correct? He said me that he was tired. He told me that he was tired. He told that he was tired. The answer will be he told me that he was tired. Tell takes an object. In this case, say does not. Choose the correct one. She is interested on music. She is interested in music. She is interested about music. The answer will be she is interested in music. We say interested in, not on or about. Which is correct? I am good at swimming. I am good on swimming. I am good in swimming. The answer will be I am good at swimming. The correct phrase is good at. Choose the correct one. She is afraid of the dark. She is afraid from the dark. She is afraid about the dark. The answer will be she is afraid of the dark. We say afraid of, not from or about. Which sentence is correct? I am used to get up early. I am used to getting up early. I am used to getting up early. The answer will be I am used to getting up early. Be used to is followed by a gerund or ing form. Choose the correct one. The police is coming. The police are coming. The police be coming. The answer will be the police are coming. Police is plural, so we use are. Which is correct? I look forward to see you soon. I look forward seeing you soon. I look forward to seeing you soon. The answer will be I look forward to seeing you soon. After look forward to, use the ing form, in this case, seeing. Dear viewers and listeners, if you have any question or comment, you are welcome. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.